Hardening Proxmox should not be a guessing game. I was frustrated there was no comprehensive guide for PVE. Proxmox Hardening Guide extends the CIS Debian 12 benchmark with Proxmox specific actions. You get step-by-step tasks, structured checklists, CIS alignment, and practical examples. Today there are two guides, PVE 8 and PBS 3. The project is under active development, and some controls are not yet fully validated. They are marked clearly in the docs, and if you can test in a lab, your feedback is appreciated. Before you change anything, make a backup or snapshot, plan a maintenance window, ensure you have IPMI or console access, and record your current settings and what you change. To get started, clone the repo, open the docs folder, and pick the guide you need. If you find an issue or want to contribute, open an issue or send a pull request to the dev branch. Links are in the description. Start a repo, subscribe, and tell me what you think about the guide.